My dear student, good morning. Today I am going to discuss tricks to solve NEET question under environmental chemistry. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Under environmental chemistry, what are the topics you have to study? 1. Pollutants. 2. Types of atmosphere like troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. But mainly we have to concentrate pollution in troposphere and pollution in stratosphere only we have to concentrate. Okay, let me go for the question now. Question number 1, which was asked in NEET 17. Which of the following is zinc for carbon monoxide? Please follow. Which of the following is zinc for the following for carbon monoxide? A. Plants, B. Hemoglobin, C. Microorganism present in the soil, and D. Water. It's a very simple direct question from the memory you have to answer. Answer is, kindly follow, C is the correct answer. That is, microorganisms present in the soil are responsible for sink of carbon monoxide. Question number 2. So this question was asked in NEET 2019. Among the following, the one that is not greenhouse gas. Please follow. Among the following, the one that is not a greenhouse gas. So in order to answer this question, options are given: A. Ozone, B. Sulfur dioxide, C. Nitrous oxide, D. Methane. So you must know what is greenhouse gases. Then only you have to answer. Okay, let me explain that. Kindly follow. Global warming and greenhouse effect. Global warming is due to the heat of solar energy trapped by gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, chlorofluorocarbon, and water vapor in the atmosphere. So these are responsible for global warming. So what will happen now here regarding the global warming and greenhouse effect? Let me give some information. That is, in cold places like foreign countries, European countries, flowers, vegetables and fruits are grown in glass-covered areas called greenhouse. Please follow. What is greenhouse? Glass-covered areas called greenhouse. In greenhouse, visible light passes through the transparent glass and heats up the soil and the plants. The warm soil and plants emit IR radiation, infrared radiation. Since glass is opaque to IR radiation, it partly reflects and partly absorbs. Kindly follow. These radiation. This mechanism keeps the energy of the sun trapped in the greenhouse. This effect is called greenhouse effect. Very, very, very important. Kindly follow. Now we will come for some more information. Similarly, carbon dioxide molecule also trap heat as they are transparent to sunlight, but not to the heat of radiation. Crosses the delicate proportion of 0.03%, the natural greenhouse balance may get disturbed. Thus, carbon dioxide is a major contributor to global warming. So, global warming, carbon dioxide is a major contributor because human beings breathes oxygen gas and give out the carbon dioxide. And also the all transports, they are producing carbon dioxide. So that's why carbon dioxide is the major contributor to global warming. And besides carbon dioxide, kindly follow, other greenhouse gases are methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, water vapor, and chlorofluorocarbon. Increase in the global temperature increase the incidence of infectious diseases like dengue, malaria, yellow fever, sleeping sickness, etc. So now we have to find out what is the correct answer. Let me read again. Among the following, the one that is not a greenhouse gas. So ozone greenhouse, nitrous oxide greenhouse, methane greenhouse. The correct answer is B. Sulfur dioxide is not a greenhouse gas. Question number 3. Actually, only very limited questions are available in NEET. So I have included from AIMS and MSET. Please follow. Which oxide of nitrogen is not common pollutant introduced into the atmosphere both due to natural and human activity? Options are A. N2O, B. NO2, C. N2O5 and D. NO. So here is a direct question. Kindly follow. It's very simple. Let me explain now. What are pollutants? Any substance which causes pollution is called pollutant. Pollutants can be solid, can be liquid, can be gaseous substance. Pollutant can be degradable or undegradable. But if they are slowly degradable, they remain in the environments in an unchanged form for many decades. Kindly follow. Then, for example, such as dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane DDT, plastic material, heavy metal, nuclear waste, and many chemicals once released into the environment are difficult to remove. These pollutants cannot be degraded by natural processes and are harmful to living organisms. Please understand this, my dear students. Now let me come further directly the questions. Question is, which oxide of nitrogen is not common pollutant introduced into the atmosphere both due to natural or human activity? So correct answer is C. N2O5 is not a common pollutant. N2O is common, NO2 is common, NO is also common. So N2O5 is not common pollutant. That is the answer. Question number 4. Kindly follow. This is asked in AIMS 2004. Ozone in stratosphere is depleted, destroyed by A. CF2Cl2, C7F16, C6H6Cl6, C6F6. What is the correct answer? Before answering this, let me explain how ozone is forming, how ozone is destroyed. Let me explain. This is most important part of the environmental pollution. The ozone that is present in the upper stratosphere protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun. UV radiation is harmful for human beings. UV radiation acts as dioxygen to produce atomic oxygen, and these oxygen atom combine with molecular oxygen to form ozone. Very, very simple phenomena, kindly follow. So, ordinary oxygen gas in presence of light converted into radical gas. And this radical combined with ozone, the oxygen in presence of light converted into ozone. So, this is the way ozone is formed. Please follow. This is the normal method of forming ozone. Okay. Now, let me go for what is happening because of ozone. When sunlight returns to the Antarctica in the spring, the sun's warmth breaks up the clouds and HOCl and Cl2 are photolyzed by sunlight as given below. So these are there in the upper atmosphere. photolyzed by sunlight as follows. What we suppose if it is HOCl in presence of light converted to OH radical and Cl radical, so we are getting Cl radical. And also if chlorine is gas is there, again in presence of sunlight converted into chloride radical. So this chlorine radical only is responsible to deplete oxygen. So let me explain what way. Kindly follow. The chlorine radicals thus formed initiate the chain reactions for ozone depletion as described below. Kindly follow. What way? The first one, the ozone, it is attacked by chlorine radical to produce ClO dot radical and oxygen gas is produced. So how the ozone is formed? From ozone and the oxygen radical it is formed. So now it is coming out in the same original form, oxygen gas and chlorine radical now combined oxygen ClO radical of gas is formed. This radical again attacking the atomic oxygen to produce chlorine radical and oxygen gas is produced. Thus, chlorine radical is formed from the CF2Cl2. It is also formed from this, will deplete ozone. Kindly follow. So, normally chlorine radical, I told you, it can be formed from HOCl as well as from chlorine. And even if it is CF2Cl2 also will be cleaved and chlorine radical will come. So that will deplete ozone layer. Kindly follow. So how these two steps will give a very clear idea of depletion. Now answer is with you now. So the ozone in stratosphere is depleted by A, CF2Cl2. Dichloro, difluoromethane. Dichloro, difluoromethane. Chloro derivatives of methane. Please follow. Question number 5. It is asked in MSET 2006. An object is located at a height of 5 km from the surface of the earth. From the surface of the earth means sea level. The object is located which part of atmosphere? A. Thermosphere, B. Mesosphere, C. Stratosphere and D. Troposphere. My dear students, so you must know what other types of atmosphere available and level and range. Then only you can able to answer this question. So let me give a clear idea for you so you can memorize. So kindly follow. We have different types of atmosphere. Here one important unit I want to give you here. 1 mile equal to 1.6 kilometer. I am giving in terms of kilometer as well as the miles. So you should not be confused. Now, there are 5 types of atmosphere. One is troposphere, 0 to 10 kilometer from sea level. From sea level. Please follow. The first one, the lowermost is troposphere, T, 0 to 10 kilometer from the sea level. The second is stratosphere, 10 to 50 kilometers. From 10 to, that is from troposphere to higher level, that is troposphere, 10 to 50 kilometer. Third is mesosphere, 50 to 85 kilometer. Kindly follow. So far I am giving in terms of kilometer. Now I am coming in terms of mile. That's why I am giving. You should not be confused. If you want, you can convert. Then fourth one, thermosphere, starting actually from 53 miles. That is 85 kilometer equivalent to 53 miles to 375 miles. And exosphere, starting from 375 to and greater, so approximately 300, 600 and 200 miles, or I simply say there is no end, it is greater than 375 miles. That is, instead of saying better to 6,200 miles, up to that we have to having the idea. So let us say safely the exosphere range is greater than 375 miles up to the extent of any limit. Please follow. So this is the way we can classify. Now come for our questions. Question is, an object is located at a height of 5 kilometers from the surface of the earth. The object is located in which part of the atmosphere? Correct answer is troposphere. It is 0 to 10 kilometers. So 5 kilometers is coming in this troposphere. Please follow. Question number 6. Which of the following oxides finally dissolve in water to cause acid rain? You must know what is acid rain. Let us say now A, NO2, B, NO2, SO2, C, NO3, SO3, D, NO2, SO2. Kindly follow. So different pairs are given. Question is, which of the following oxides finally dissolve in water to cause acid rain? So let me explain what is acid rain, how it is formed, then you can understand. Kindly follow. So what is acid rain? Let me explain. Oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, which are acidic in nature, can be blown by wind along with the solid particle in the atmosphere. Finally, these oxides settle down as dry deposition or in water, as fog or snow as wet deposition. Ammonium salts are also formed and can be seen as an atmospheric haze. Please follow. So kindly follow now the reaction here. 2SO2 gas plus O2 gas in presence of water liquid coming now sulfuric acid. It is acid. It is formed in the atmosphere. Same way, when NO2 gas is present 4 moles, O2 gas in presence of 2 moles of water giving nitric acid, again acid. The same way, carbon dioxide gas, water vapor or liquid giving carbonic acid. Kindly follow. So these are the acids formed in the atmosphere. So when the pH of the rainwater drops below 5.6, it is called acid rain. So normal pH value, kindly follow, when you say pH, 7 is neutral. Greater than 7, it is basic. It is the basic. Less than 7 acid. Please follow. This is the important. We have studied under the equilibrium, under the pH and pOH. Please follow. So my idea here it is, I want to give information is, here it is given, if it is pH is less than 5.6, we will call it as acid rain. We will call that one is acid rain. Please follow. Right. What is the harm it is producing? Acid rain is harmful for agriculture, trees and plants as it involves and washes away nutrients needed for their growth. It causes respiratory ailments in human beings and animals. Acid rain damages even building, Taj Mahal. It is spoiled by only acid rain. And other structure made of stone or steel, it is. It corrodes, kindly follow. It corrodes water pipes, resulting in the leaking of heavy metals such as iron, lead and copper into the drinking water. The Taj Mahal in India has been affected by acid rain. I told you already. So, question number 6, answer now is easy now. Which of the following oxide finally dissolve in water to cause acid rain? Correct answer is NO2 and sulfur dioxide. That is, these two oxides Kindly follow. This is actually 2 times repeated, so better we will do this. This NO2 better we will give NO3 for our convenience. So it will be different. See, NO2, NO3, SO2, NO3, SO3, NO2, NO2. So this is the correct answer. So this is giving nitric acid, this is giving sulfuric acid. Kindly follow. Acid rain. Then next question number 7. Ozone layer is present in troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. All these types of atmosphere I have already discussed. So now where is the ozone layer? Very simply, direct question, kindly follow. It is in the stratosphere. Ozone layer is present in the stratosphere. First is troposphere, 0 to 10 kilometers. The next is 10 to 50 kilometers is troposphere. Kindly follow. Then 50 to 85 it is mesosphere, and then we are going for in terms of miles, that is thermosphere and exosphere, etc. So correct answer is stratosphere. Question number 8, kindly follow. Asked in MSET 2011, which air pollutant is responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy? Bhopal gas tragedy. A few years before, India was faced this Bhopal tragedy. Lakhs and lakhs of people died in this tragedy. What is the gas responsible? A. CO, B. PIC, C. CFC and D. MIC. What is that? The correct answer is, kindly follow the direct question, MIC. That is methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide. So this is the gas responsible for Bhopal tragedy. So that's why it is given MIC, methyl isocyanide. Sometimes they will use methyl carbalamide. Please follow. So, I have come to the conclusion, my dear students. So, thank you very much for the kind cooperation you have given. So, up to this, the first year topics is over. We have to discuss the second year topics, starting from solid. My dear students, if you are your first time you are looking my video, that is NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G. I will be very much thankful to you. I request you kindly click like and click subscribe button so that my video will come to you. And for the students who are studying +1, +2 and +2 completed students, for you I have a good news. We are running a veterinary coaching center in Pondicherry for the last 20 years, near bus stand Pondicherry. And we have our own website created by veterinary coaching center, Veterinary Daughters. So we have not used any other online, our own online. It is Veterinary Daughters, created by engineer Ganesh for Veterinary Daughters, one of the director of Veterinary Coaching Center. Now, if you go Veterinary Daughters, enter into the home page, you can see a lot of achievement for the last 20 years. Let me point out one or two. The first achievement, we have started the coaching center in 1999. Only one JIPMER student, we have sent only one student to JIPMER. But fortunately, in 2003, we grow such a way that All India first rank we got in 2003. That is R. Srinivasa Raghavan, student of Patrick School in Pondicherry, came All India first rank. Out more than 10 lakh people have written examination, he came first. This is our first achievement in the year 2003. Also, Out of 25 at that time, 20 students are joined JIPMER through Vetri Coaching Center. The second most important achievement I want to convey here, for the last 20 years, except 1 or 2 years, all the remaining years, Pondicherry first rank is taken by Vetri Coaching Center. Please follow. Every year, minimum 10, maximum 20 are entering into JIPMER through Vetri Coaching. 150 to 200 students are joining every year for other medical colleges of Pondicherry through government quota by merit. Few students are joining IIT and hundreds of students joining in other engineering colleges. This is our achievement. Now I want to give some information regarding my website with your daughters. So students, in these pandemic conditions, corona period, even by staying in your house with a low cost, you can prepare for NEET examination. You can get 600 to 700 marks minimum with the help of Vetri daughters. It is a unique online coaching, different from other online coaching. So let me explain what are the features of Vetri daughters. 1. This is containing 200 video lesson. 200 video lesson. And 200 unit test. The 200 video lesson were taken by different professors having PhD degree and a teaching experience for IIT and medical for the last 20 to 30 years of experience they are taking. So when you are looking the video lesson, you can feel class atmosphere. Lessons will be very clear and they will give a very theoretical explanation. Full of notes. Video full of notes. So the advantage is you can touch the video, it will stop, you can take the notes, whatever it is new to you. Because we have framed a syllabus such a way that we have taken IIT syllabus, we have taken Samachir syllabus, we have taken CBSE, we have taken MSET Andhra, we have taken ISC syllabus. Combined together everything we have taken. So what will happen now? So no one, any student, if you are studying in Samachir, all will be there. If you are studying CBSE, all will be there. If you are studying IIT, all will be there. So you need not worry about our syllabus. We are covering entire syllabus. Kindly follow. That is the advantage. Please follow. So next is we are having 200 unit tests. Once after reading that, seeing the video lessons, what you can do, you want to write test. This is a unique feature of Vetri daughters, not available in any other online coaching center. Please compare and verify. When you go for unit tests, actually each unit we have 2 tests. Each unit we have 2 tests. This is for a specific reason. So let me give test 1 and test 2. So in this case, environmental test 1, environmental test 2. Each question will have 45 as per NEET syllabus. As per NEET syllabus. Kindly follow. Only last year they have increased to 200 questions. They have given 5 questions as that is special. That is you have to attend only 180 questions. That is 5 questions extra they have given. Now what happened? What I want to convey here. All the questions are taken from previous year question papers of IIT, AIMS, AIFMC, MSET Andhra, AIPMT, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. So only previous year question papers are only we have taken to frame the 200 unit tests. Now what is the advantage we can get from this? Kindly follow. So for the last 6 years of NEET question paper, when we verified and compared with our question bank, so we have observed 75 to 80 questions coming, same questions are repeated. we have observed. Without any doubt, you can verify. Because nearly 10,000 questions are there, all are previous question paper, then what is else? Easily you can get 320 marks. And if you are a hard worker, sincere, you will get 300 plus. So totally, easily you will get 650 to 700. You will become a doctor. So you want to become a doctor, join with your doctor. It's very, very low cost. Only 10,000 rupees per year for all subjects. Only 10,000 rupees for all subjects for per year. Please follow. Others are collecting in lakhs. Understand? And compare, we are far, far better in quality. And one more information. Coming for the test, unit test, how we have to write unit test. So if you press test, a window will open. Click, there is an attempt menu, click attempt. The first, whatever unit you want, you go to the unit. Say for example, environment, go and click. Immediately a window will open. It will say in the window you can see this unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries four options. One of the option is correct. For correct answer 4 marks awarded. For wrong answer -1. This information will be there. Then it will ask, are you ready? So if you are ready, take a rough sheet and pen to analyze the questions. Then click OK. Immediately a window will open. You can see question number 1. Option A, option B, option C, option D you can see. Then a clock will go. And then below that there is a menu, 3 menus. Center, complete, right, next, left, reverse. And below that there is 1 to 45 questions will be there. Yellow color. So this is the advantage. This is not available in any other online. What is the use of this? When you are attending question, you can see directly how many questions you have completed, how many questions you have not completed. You can see the time also comparatively. This facility is not given in any other online. Say for example, you are reading question number 1 and A, if you observe A is the correct answer, click that, touch that, click 1. If it is because we are on online, touch that, click that. Immediately question number 1 in yellow color will convert into green color. That means you have attended question number 1. Question number 2 will become blue color. The other question will be in yellow color. So for example, after 20 minutes, just you compare how many will be in green color, how many will be in yellow and blue color. You can compare the time and that you can adjust the time and questions. This is the advantage that is not available in other online coaching. After completing all the 45 questions, then click the complete. Please follow, it is not necessary you have to attend all the 45. If question is not known, don't click because you will lose 1 mark. So only known question you have to click to score more mark. So when I click complete, immediately a window will open. What is there in the window? Another important advantage feature which is not available in other online. Question number 1 you can see. Then what is there? Option A, option B, option C, option D. And correct answer is given in yellow color. Correct answer will be in yellow color. Your option will be in blue color. Please follow. And below that there is a video solution. So this is the peculiar feature but the unique feature of Edidata is not available in any other online in India. What is the advantage of this feature? See, you are seeing directly what is your answer, what question you have attended, you can see. This facility is not available anywhere. Next, you compare with the yellow correct answer, both are same, correct, both are different, it is wrong. So then if it is wrong, now means you need not go to book, you refer, you need not go to your teacher to ask, here video solution will be there. Professor with a doctorate degree and experience 30 to 40 years of experience will explain the question with answer. If it is a problem, they will introduce the formula, or how they will work out. If it is a reasonable question, they will say theory, everything they will explain. So just now what I have explained just before, in environmental question, the same pattern they will explain. They will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes to explain the question depending upon the type of question. Sometimes 1 minute, sometimes 5, sometimes even 10 minutes. Kindly follow. So that video solution is most important. Listen, my dear students, we have 200 tests. Each 200 into multiplied by 45 questions. Just see, imagine. So nearly 10,000 questions are there. Each question will have a video solution. So 10,000 previous year question paper, 10,000 video solution. This is enough. You can get very easily 650 to 700 marks. But just paying 10,000 rupees per year. Even poor student you can use. So the channel when I started in UV, that is only for poor students of India. Our country is a poor country. To help, I wanted to start a channel. I started for the last 2 years. We are simply sitting in the house without going outside due to Corona. That's why I prepared this. I am giving. So kindly convey this information to all others. Please follow. So please follow how to pay 10,000 and join with your daughters. Pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director of Ethic Coaching Center, through Indian Bank in Pondicherry, but through any other bank you can pay. Account number is 712719471 Indian Bank. IFSC code IDIB 000P134. If any query, any question, any information, call me. Cell number 98941764225. It's my WhatsApp number also. My dear students, thank you very much for the kind cooperation you have given to me. So meet you again in my next topic. Bye-bye. Thank you.